Etsy Integrator for Dropshipping Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. In this video, we'll be reviewing the Etsy Integrator for Dropshipping, covering its features, strengths, and weaknesses. Links to the products mentioned are included in the description below, so be sure to check them out. The Etsy Integrator for Dropshipping is designed for e-commerce entrepreneurs looking to simplify and automate their dropshipping operations on Etsy, one of the largest online marketplaces for handmade, vintage, and unique products. This integrator is perfect for sellers who want to streamline tasks like product imports, inventory management, and order fulfillment, helping them save time and scale their business efficiently. One of the standout features of this integrator is its ability to automatically sync product listings, including details like prices, descriptions, and images between your suppliers and your Etsy store. It ensures that your listings are always accurate, reducing the risk of overselling and discrepancies in product details. The tool also offers real-time inventory synchronization, so you can keep track of stock levels and avoid running into stockouts. Additionally, it automates the order fulfillment process by forwarding orders directly to your suppliers and updating tracking information, providing a seamless experience for both you and your customers. The strength of this integrator lies in its focus on Etsy's specific requirements, including the platform's emphasis on handcrafted and one-of-a-kind items. The tool is easy to use and integrates well with Etsy's interface, making it a good fit for both new and experienced sellers. The automated features save time and reduce manual work, allowing you to focus on growing your business. However, there are some weaknesses to be aware of. The setup process can be a bit complex for beginners, particularly when configuring APIs or ensuring product data aligns with Etsy's marketplace standards. Additionally, syncing delays or discrepancies may occasionally occur when working with multiple suppliers. In conclusion, the Etsy Integrator for Dropshipping is a valuable tool for sellers looking to scale their business on Etsy. With its automated features, inventory synchronization, and seamless order fulfillment, it streamlines many of the tasks that can slow down growth. While the setup may require some effort for newcomers, the time saved in the long run makes it a worthwhile investment. Check the links in the description for more details and see how this integrator can enhance your Etsy dropshipping business.